this lecture we are going to see how to create an hybrid model which consists of 1D objects as well as 2D surfaces. It is very easy. So in order to start afresh, I am going to select Ctrl N and I am going to press S again. And now what I am going to do is I am going to create a set of points. So in order to generate that set of points, what I am going to do is I am going to go to the point option, and in the point option I am going to select the coordinate file by browsing the file location. So I am going to select the points data, 2-story stage, and then I am going to select this one and I am going to right click and generate this particular data. See here, number of points have been created. So yeah, in order to create lines in between these points, I can go to the concepts once again, create lines. I'm going to select line. So for time being, I'm going to just create lines between these 4 points. There's 4 points only. So once I've created, I'm going to apply. So I've created lines between these 4 points. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select, go to the concept. Oh sorry, I need to generate this line. So I've right clicked on the line and say generate, and once I've generated this particular line, I need to go to the concepts once again, and I need to go to the surface from sketches. So you need to select the surface from sketches, but we haven't had any sketch, so we need to select surface from edges, and then you need to select this by pressing Ctrl. You need to select this 4 lines so that a surface will be created between these 4 edges. You see, when I just right click and say generate, a surface has been created. Likewise, you have a combination, you can have a combination of simple 1D objects as well as 2D surfaces. So I am going to will go to the concepts once again, say select lines from points, and I'm going to select this 2 points and this 2 points as well. So it is just to show you that this 1D objects as well as the 2D objects can coexist, and we are going to perform different analysis over on such type of objects. So I'm going to just right click and say generate the object. So instead of creating surfaces from this sort of points and lines, you can also create it from sketches. In order to create from sketches, once again what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Ctrl N, and I'm going to start over once again, and I'm going to create a rectangle. I'm going to go to the sketching mode. No, first of all I'm going to select the ZX plane, and then I'm going to go to the sketching mode. In the sketching mode, I'm going to select the rectangle, and I'm going to create a simple rectangle. You can create a whatever shape you want, but it should be a closed shape in order to generate a surface. So once you have done this, you can go to the concept. Instead of selecting surface from edges, you can select surfaces from sketches, and here you need to select this particular sketch and then press apply, and here you can give the thickness of the surface here, or otherwise you can just give the thickness of the surface there inside the mechanical also. So once you are done with the options, you can just right click and you can say generate. So this is how you can generate surfaces from the sketches. So in the next lecture, we are going to see how to import a 3D object into the geometric modeler, and also we are going to see how this 3D object can be converted into a 2D surfaces object. Thank you.